calculated grass speeds, and how to get the Tiri, Vara, Nakshatra, Yoga, Karana, Panchanga elements, and how to get the ephemeris, and how to get the Mandi and Abhijit Nakshatra calculation. All those sort of things we learned. And today in this topic we will be learning about how the varga calculation will happen. So that is a topic here. So let's go to the okay, let's go to the varga calculation part. So this is somehow the varga, so these are the charts, right? So here what happens, we will be learning how to calculate Rasi. I think we learned that in previous videos. So we have to calculate Navamsa, Drikona, Somana, Drikona, Chatursamsa, Saptamsa, all varga calculation we'll see here. So, and here, in order to calculate the varga, right, D9, we need to know first grass speeds. And this is where the chart, this is where that thing will come into picture. Okay, let me open the real-time values. Go further down the calculations. So we got a degrees of that, and we mod it, and that's the value we got. Remove excess of the 360, right? And then the sign. And also we need to know what is the object here. Object is undefined. Okay, now division is Navamsa. We are calculating Navamsa chart with the given Lagna, Sun, Moon, the speeds and the position of the planets, right? And earlier we calculated in the previous video, we calculated those values. So here, let's step it through. Is it odd sign or even sign? Because these are the required for other varga chart calculation. So sun degree right here. We need to know the sun sign degree. And also we need to know Amsha, and also D3. Yes, this is for D3 actually, and we will come to that. So what will happen in the D3 calculation, I will explain that. So now we are calculating Navamsa, right? Navamsa will be right here, and it will switch to Navamsa at some point. Yeah, right here, D9, right? So, and the Navamsa cycle is 9. And also we need to see these are the degrees. So if I type degrees, it's 125. So based off of the degrees, and Amsha cycles are 9, and we mod it by 360, and it comes like, okay, degrees into 9 and mod 360. We do that, and that's what we got, 52. And we the division chart of that, and chart of I is nothing but this, and longitude and latitude of that. Here we're getting now moving to sun. This is sun calculation, where the sun will be located, and again go through that loop and come again, and it will jump to D9 right there. We got a K value, right? So let's put a breakpoint here. No, let's put a breakpoint right here. Yeah, let's put a breakpoint right here, and we do like, yeah. So let's remove this breakpoint and go further. So SK will be calculated accordingly, and if I type like an S value right here, and we calculate Lagna, we calculate a moon, we got a K value 12, and Venus will be right here. So if I do that, and if I calculate again, see, we got a Venus right here in the 12th position. So that is how we calculate D9, right? For D9 calculation, I hope you clear with the D9 calculation, right? And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And so it is doing all the necessary values. Remove this and put it right here, the breakpoint, and just click on that, and you will see full object. Right now if I do like S value, and you'll see like, yeah, you see that Lagna is in there here, and Jupiter is here in the 4th position, which is Karka, I think Gemini. Let's see, actually, like, let's see another breakpoint which is in the D3 level, and see how the calculation will happen. Where is the D3? We are calculating Dreshkana, right? Okay, so here is a Dreshkana. If you select that, so we got a chart, at that point we got a chart that, and we have all necessary speeds and everything we got here, right? And then from here, we come to get divisional sign, right? Let's go there. So this is get divisional, right? Let's put a breakpoint right here. Let's refresh it again. Okay, now we go with the Dreshkana and add a chart. To do that, right here we are, and we need to deep dive into that Dreshkana. So here, let's put a breakpoint here. And we got a degrees, which is sun, and we got a division Dreshkana, and we got an object, nothing is defined. And if you step it through, right, we got sign of that, and so we had the Dreshkana here, sine degree that. So from here, Amsha is 3. From here we calculated Amsha, right? Sine degree by total 10 plus 0.99, we got like Amsha is like 3, and Amsha into 3, 12 minus 4, 8. 8 plus 8, 16, the K value is 16, and which is way beyond the K value 16, which is way beyond the 12. We take a mod of it, which is 4. So sun will go to the 4th position of that. So if I type here something like S, S is not defined yet. So let's go further down. Yeah, so now S is defined right here, and sun, I think we calculated Lagna. Yeah, Lagna, that is a calculation will happen, but it's still populating at. And if I do that, so it's keep coming through that thing, and that is how the calculation will again happen. And is it odd sign, is it even sign, and then come here. In case of D3, right, index begins from 1 to this dummy on 2nd cycle, 37 Swamanatha, D3 falls in the Tula. So what will happen? First it will go with 1, 2, 3. 1, so this dummy on 2nd cycle, 37 Swamanatha, and it will go like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So this is how the D3S calculation will happen, and then it jumps to D3, and now we are calculating what is sine degree, 7.12, and Amsha portion is 10, and this is for, I think, which sign it is. It's a sign is that 12 right here. So, and this is for D3 D5, which is, I think, Swamanatha. This is Swamanatha, and this is a D3S, right? The both will calculation will happen like this, and D4 will have, like, we have a 30 by 4, which is equal to 7.5. D10 is like 30 by 10, and Amsha portion is 3. And here D10 calculation will happen based on the sign odd or sign even sign. If it is odd sign, the sign itself, and if it is an even sign, then this is how the calculation will happen: sine plus 9 minus 1 plus amsha minus 1. So all this calculation will happen like that. And even reverse, this is another the samsa, and again the amsha portion is like 30 by 10, which is equal to 3, and again we go with sine odd and sine even. This is also like amsha cycle, which is 27. It's like a D27. Kaveda amsha D40 and the amsha cycle, and D45 also amsha cycle. So that is how the calculation will happen. I hope you like this video, and any questions or comments